Today, we explore 2026's top 5 portable tire inflators for cars, ensuring you never get stuck with a flat. We'll compare performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Find product links in the description and first comment. Let's dive into these essential tools, starting with our first remarkable model. Our first product is the NOCO Air Al5, which offers a 17 lpm airflow and can inflate tires up to 31 inches. With a digital gauge and auto shutoff, this inflator ensures you reach the perfect pressure every time. This model doubles as a USB-C rechargeable power bank, making it a versatile tool for your vehicle. The NOCO Air Al5 inflates 0 to 40 psi in just 7 minutes, perfect for those in a hurry. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your car, ready for emergencies or regular maintenance. While the price isn't specified, its feature set suggests a strong value for the investment. Next up is the DeWalt Tire Inflator, a powerful 20 volts max air compressor that promises efficiency. This model includes an automatic shutoff feature, preventing overinflation and ensuring safety. Equipped with an LED light, it's perfect for nighttime emergencies or dark garages. DeWalt's robust construction assures longevity, ideal for those who need reliable performance. While it's tool-only, its compatibility with DeWalt batteries makes it a versatile addition to any toolkit. It's a must-have for anyone seeking a blend of power and convenience in a portable package. Our third contender is the Powell's Tire Inflator, designed for a wide range of uses beyond just cars. With a 150 psi capacity, it handles everything from car tires to inflatables and sports equipment. The large capacity ensures rapid inflation, making it a time saver for busy individuals. An auto shutoff feature provides peace of mind by preventing overinflation. Its blue design stands out, offering a stylish look while maintaining functionality. This product is ideal for those who value versatility and style in their automotive accessories. Fourth on our list is the AUXITO Tire Inflator, boasting a 150 psi capacity for quick inflation. It's equipped with a tire pressure gauge, ensuring you're always at the right pressure. With a 5200 mAh battery, this inflator is ready to perform without needing frequent recharges. The integrated LED light is perfect for low-light situations, adding to its practicality. This air pump is a thoughtful gift for any car enthusiast or frequent traveler. AUXITO offers a blend of power and convenience, making it a smart choice for modern drivers. Finally, we have the Craftsman V20 air compressor, a cordless model reaching up to 150 psi. Its digital pressure gauge ensures precise inflation, catering to perfectionists. Being tool-only, it's perfect for those already invested in the Craftsman ecosystem. The compact and portable design makes it a practical addition to your travel gear. It's ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance inflator that doesn't compromise on portability. Our selection highlights products truly worth your attention, ensuring you make a wise purchase.